This video I'm making on simple and best practice to get the fluency in English. And many asked me, ma'am, how can we practice our own alone without any partner? And is it possible to practice in that way? A single person? Yes, there is possibility to practice that way, and here I am giving that way how we can practice ourselves to get the fluency in English. Very easy way, very simple way. Just you follow this and get fluency in English. Okay? And this is very simple as well as simple and best practice. To get simple and best practice to get fluency in English. And now the thing you need to do is that just you randomly pick a topic on any person or any animal or any bird, any living thing or non-living thing, whatever you like or whatever you dislike. Any of your choice, you can choose one person or animal or bird or anything or any incident. Okay? In the JAM method, I told you just a minute, only 1 minute, but this is not like that. More than 2 to 3 minutes you can talk to yourself. No need any partner. Okay? Instantly you have to pick on your mom, dad, sister, brother, or any animal, cow, buffalo, cat, dog, or any bird, crow, parrot, pigeon, hen, cock, all this. Whatever you like, just you instantly pick that and try to talk on that particular topic for 2 to 3 minutes or more than 3 minutes. As much as you can without using any native language. Right? Now see, and the challenge I am making myself now, now it's a task for me. Okay? Just you observe me to get the fluency, to develop my fluency in English. Right? Now you see, now I just want to pick a bird which I hate most. I hate most. Can you guess what it is? Nothing but crow. There are many reasons for that, hating that bird. And coming to the animals, I hate pig. Coming to the birds, I hate crow. Now I have chosen crow, which I hate most, the bird. The reasons are from my childhood. No, I used to observe crows, and in my observation, I observed that crows are the public scavengers, they are called. Right? Crows are called public scavengers. What is meant by a scavenger? Which cleans the public places. It eats everything, all the dirty things it eats. I have seen that way. I used to be very irritated seeing that. So it's a public scavenger as well. It irritates the people also in the villages because they used to cook open, and the crows used to irritate the people by taking this and that and grabbing everything. The strong reasons are there for me to hate that crow. Okay? But now, even though I hate crow, I started feeding crows. What made me feed the crows, which I hate? And you might be knowing a story of crow, a thirsty crow. It finds a pot with little water in it and beside pebbles. And as it is, I could say that an intelligent bird, because it got an idea of picking the pebbles and throwing into the pot, thus the water cannot come up. So it has an idea, so it does it. The crow put the pebbles in it and he drank water and it flew away. As we know that now, from that story we could say that crow is an intelligent bird, right? And then here, now come to my story now. The reasons I told you why I hate crow, yes? But apart from all this, I started feeding the crows now. These days, every day morning I take 2 eggs, boiled eggs, without yolk in it, without yolk. Only white part. That yellow part, I'm feeding crows these days for 2 to 3 months. Even though I hate crows, why am I feeding them? There is a strong reason for that. Do you know cuckoo? A bird? Coo. Koel we can say. And it doesn't build its own nest when the time comes for it to lay eggs. It doesn't lay eggs in its own nest, and it doesn't build nest, cuckoo. Then how it lays eggs? It lays eggs in the nest of crow. Here, a cuckoo is more intelligent than crow, we can say. Because when the time comes for the cuckoo to lay eggs, it goes to the nest of the crow and it throws away one of crow's eggs, and it lays eggs in the nest of crow. And the crow later it hatches, and the crow feeds cuckoo along with the crows. And here, comparing these two, we can say cuckoo is more intelligent than the crow. The crow never identifies. It hatches the eggs, and it hatches the cuckoo egg also along with these one or two, and it feeds that until it identifies the sound of that coo sound. And what is the sound of a crow? Cow. Will it be so pleasant to hear? No. It is very harsh somehow. Brr, like that. And coming to cuckoo, coo sound. And identifying that sound, it starts. I don't know what's the reason why cuckoos don't build nest. The female cuckoo, when the time comes, it lays eggs in the nest of crow. And the crow hatches the eggs, and it feeds the baby until it identifies the sound of coo by cuckoo, cow by crow. The crow hatched these eggs, and the baby cuckoo knows that the crow is the mother. Yes, it loved it a lot and fed it with some food, getting here and there. And after identifying this coo sound, it starts pricking that. It's the crow, the mother crow starts pushing away. And the cuckoo, the baby cuckoo, couldn't understand all this. Why this? This is my mother, and it loved me a lot all these days, and it fed me with food all these days. Why now it is pricking me? Why now it is pushing me away? The baby cuckoo couldn't understand all those. And these days, I have observed that nearby my house there is a tree, neem tree, and in that I saw crow feeding cuckoo, a baby cuckoo. And I really started loving this crow also. Actually, I hate crow, but now, if I feed the crow, the mother crow, it can feed cuckoo there. For that reason, I started feeding crows nearly for 2 to 3 months. And here, still it is here. And it didn't start making the sound coo. Not yet started. It's making just like a crow only. I don't know why this. In the world, we couldn't understand many things. They are mysterious. Can any scientist say why cuckoo doesn't build a nest? It lays its eggs. And cuckoo, it has to be very aware of the crow timings. And in the absence of the crow, it has to lay its eggs in the crow's nest. Right? So, this is also a hard task for cuckoo. When the time comes for it to lay eggs. And the crow, it feeds the baby. Here it is not so intelligent, the crow. I started feeding the crows there. But now I don't hate crows. And coming to the life, everyone can apply. What we hate most, we can love. Just start loving what you hate most. And that makes something different. So this is my task now. The bird which I hate most is crow. And now why I started loving it. Please don't consider if I get any mistakes in these constructions. Because I have picked instantly the subject and I expressed myself. Being a Telugu girl, Telugu medium background girl, I tried my best to give you. And if you get any mistakes in my presentation or in my task, just let me know in the feedback. Let me know in the comment section. And just everyone can try this method, this practice. Everyone can practice this one. If you practice this way for the first time, you may get mistakes, and the same thing you do it for the second time, and if possible for the third, or choose any other topic. Daily take one topic enough, which you like most or which you hate most. Whatever you can, whatever you like to pick, you can pick. Then practice this way, and for sure you will get the results. Don't need any partner in this. This is the best practice I could say to you, right? And see you in the next video with another best topic. Practice this well and let me know the results of yours, right? See you in the next video with another best topic. Sujata signing off.